Today, I'll show you how to upload files in Xero step by step so you can keep all your important documents organized and attached to the right records. We'll move through the process slowly and clearly, and by the end, you'll be comfortable adding files to your Xero account whenever you need to. First, open your web browser and go to the Xero website. In this video, you'll learn how to upload files in Xero using the built-in files area, sometimes called the files inbox. Make sure you're logged in with your usual Xero login details. If you have access to more than one organization, double check that you're in the correct one before you start so your files end up in the right place. Once you're logged in and you're looking at the main Xero dashboard, move your attention to the very top left corner of the screen. There you'll see the current organization's name. I'm going to walk you through how to open that organization drop down. Click on the organization name and a small menu will appear beneath it. This menu is where you can switch between organizations if you have more than one, but it also gives you access to the files area that we need. From that drop-down menu, look for the option labeled Files. I'll show you the easiest way to get there. Simply click Files, and Xero will take you to the dedicated Files section. This is like your central storage space inside Xero, where you can upload invoices, receipts, statements, or any supporting documents you want to keep on record or attach to transactions later. When the Files page opens, you'll see an overview of anything that has already been uploaded. At the top right of this screen, look for a button that says something like Upload to Files Inbox. This is the button you'll use to bring new documents into Xero. Go ahead and click that Upload button. As soon as you click it, your computer's file browser window will open. Here you can navigate through your folders to find the document you want to add. Take a moment to choose the correct file, whether it's a PDF invoice, a scanned receipt, or another relevant document. Try to use clear file names on your computer, as this makes it easier to recognize the right file at a glance. Once you've located the file you want to upload, click on it to select it. With the file selected, click the Open button in your file browser window. This tells Xero to start uploading that document into your files inbox. After you click Open, you'll be taken back to Xero, and you should see the file appear in the list in your files area. Depending on your internet speed and the size of the file, the upload might take a moment. When it's done, the file will be available there, ready for you to preview, download, or attach to bills, invoices, or other records within Xero. That's all there is to it. Go to Xero, open the organization menu, click Files, choose Upload to Files Inbox, select your file, and click Open. With this simple process, you can keep your documents safely stored and easy to find right inside Xero.